Hey guys, this is exactly how the market is going to look tomorrow on November the 4th. Exactly like this chart. And you probably wonder, Leo, where'd you get this chart? It looks super bullish. This cannot be here in the United States, and you're exactly right. This chart is the chart of the stock market in Hong Kong. Now, in this video, I'm going to share with you some characteristics that are almost identical that were preceding this move right here in the markets in Hong Kong. Now, this is not your ordinary move. This is why I'm even taking time to record this video to stress the point that the major short squeeze that we have projected has already begun in some parts of the world. And all the markets, they're interconnected and interrelated. Now, historically, there has been instances where the markets in Hong Kong has been up 3-4%, and the markets here in the United States rallied by the same amount the next day. Now, recently, the correlation between the market in Hong Kong and here in the United States has not been great. But that's the thing with correlations. Sometimes they show up, sometimes they disappear, sometimes the correlations are running very strong. We could be in the very early inning of renewal of these sort of correlations, because the charts, and what I'm about to show you on the daily chart, actually resemble very many conditions that I have been sharing with you guys in the last few videos. So this is the chart, daily chart of Hong Kong stock market. As you can see, just a lot of bearish things going on, right? Just a lot of negativity, just like we have here. And we're going lower and lower and lower and lower. Ha, here's a bounce, and then we'll go lower and lower and lower and lower again. Now, if you paid close attention, in many recent videos, I have shared this right here with you. This is not the point where you want to be short something, okay? Also, has been sharing with you a lot of charts that show the bullish divergence on the RSI versus the price action. As you can see, we've got a great example of this right here, where RSI dips below 30, while Hong Kong stock market is about 17,000. And recently, it dives in all the way to 14,500. But notice what happens to the RSI. Based at the price action, it should be at like 9, 10, but it actually fails to break below that level. So pretty much ton of charts here in the United States resemble this pattern. We have a bullish divergence on the RSI. We have a major bullish cross on a lot of stuff. And all the charts, they pretty much look like this. Don't miss the next video where I'm going to outline some more signs of a market bottom. But this move in Hong Kong, guys, it's ridiculous. It's at 6% right now. Look, I just took that picture not so long ago. 6% move in Hong Kong. That is a humongous move. And I can tell you this, even if we don't move by as much of a percentage point tomorrow here in the States, this move right here is definitely going to make it very, very difficult for the markets to drop. And when you see stuff like this, I mean, these are historic moves. When things are just so negative, 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 when all you hear is just all these headlines about how the cutting forecasts, all the economists, all the analysts, hey, this stuff is getting so bad, everything is so bad, and you see charts that are looking like this, okay? There is a moment in time where there's so much short positions accumulated that when the move to the upside begins, and it's not like a 20-30 point move, it's not like a 50-60 point move in an S&P, we could get as much as 200 points move higher on S&P tomorrow, which could be a 5 to 6% move. But even if we don't, we can easily get 150 point move higher on S&P tomorrow, guys. So understand there's a lot of bullish divergences, and when one part of the market begins a short squeeze, it definitely has a high probability of being transferred to the other parts of the market. So just this move alone basically gives us a 99.9% probability that the market tomorrow is not going to drop. And if this correlation is going to be renewed, like the type of correlation that we've had between these two markets, we could get an easy 2-3% move. And if we get a 2-3% move by lunchtime, I mean, this move is likely to continue. Also, statistically speaking, in the last 6 weeks, most of the bullish reversals have been taking place on a Thursday, and where the markets have been moving up even higher on a Friday. So when I was posting a bunch of videos earlier today saying, hey, it's a bottom, it's a bottom, it's a bottom, this is another sign. This is another confirmation that we are bottoming, that the markets are bottoming. And look, once we get going to the upside, I mean, this move is huge. So basically, not so long ago, in Hong Kong, we're at 14.5. Okay, right now we're trading like 16.5. So this chart does not capture the current move that's taking place right now overnight. So, I mean, this is, guys, I mean, this is a huge move. This is like a 2,000 point move in 3 trading sessions. And it's not like a Dow Jones 2,000 point move, right? These 2,000 points here represent like, I mean, it's almost a 20% move in the stock market in what, just 4 trading sessions? It's insane. So don't be shocked if we're going into next week, we're sitting at 4,200 on S&P 500. I know it looks unreal. I know when I'm showing you a chart like this, you're probably, Leo, man, I'm tired of you making these bullish videos. Okay, but guys, you cannot ignore these overwhelming number of signs of a bottom. So Hong Kong, record-setting day. Just for your knowledge and understanding, the last time we had moves like this, percentage-wise, in the United States market, okay, they were 90, like they were after the crash in the market in 1929. The market was bouncing crazily, and we had some 6% moves. 6% moves basically mean that the circuit breakers would be off. They would actually be pausing the market moving higher. I mean, this is how huge of a move it is. Most of us are more familiar with them shutting the market down when temporarily for 15 minutes, right? The circuit breakers, when the market drops more than 5%. Well, in this case, we could see a circuit breaker going off tomorrow because all the shorts are covering, and this market could make a wild move to the upside. So guys, if you're ready to take advantage of these crazy market conditions, okay, sign up to trade with a coach at 13mmtv.com. I'll catch you guys in the next video soon. Let's roll.